Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first let's open settings, then go to the security section, then go to the fingerprint, then select if you want to, then you have to choose your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. I'll select PIN. Then you have to enter your PIN, then you have to confirm it. Then you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can show sensitive content only when unlocked, or you can don't show any notifications at all. Then tap done, next, and now you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of your BLACKVIEW smartphone, and tap it with your finger just like this several times in order for it to remember your fingerprint. So yeah, and that's how it's done. And now, for example, with fingerprint you can unlock your device without entering any PIN code, but only with just your fingerprint. You don't even have to press power key, you can just like slightly press this touch sensor with your finger, and device will be unlocked, just like this. Easy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.